That's an arm. That is an arm. A hinge pin.
Yeah, hinge pin again and a shock rod end. So yeah.
M2C them ones, baby.
M2C on these again, I think. But yeah, see what I mean, guys? It breaks this centerpiece out here.
You've done the same on that one.
That hole there in the middle still look, well, in the middle at the back still looks good. So we will drill that and put some M2C ones in the front.
Arrma's got to sort that out.
Yeah. I mean, come on, guys.
Why is it breaking there? Look.
Yeah, I know that was an odd landing on the front of the arm, but even still, I mean the arms are stronger than the pins.
I was about to say the hinge pins have seen better days.
Yeah, but I've done two now on the back, one on the front. The back ones are still good. They've got to, yeah, they've got to address this issue, isn't they, really?
M2C all the way, baby.
Yeah, they need stronger pins for sure. But the arms are as strong as anything.
Where are you now?
Alright guys, we are back out. We're back in the pump track again. But why not come back? We're on the 4S and the 3S MT-10. So I'm running some new roof sliders and bonnet sliders. Compliments of Mike, the Canadian. He sent me these along with a wing and a wheelie bar, which guys are awesome. Them wheelie bars, I kid you not, absolutely fantastic on the K6. So Mike, I do appreciate it. But we're up against today the MT-10. We can see how well it holds. Steve is very confident. He knows it takes a kicking, but we're going to see how well it takes a kicking today. The K6 is down, the K4 is down. Time for the small 1/10 flashes. So let's go. Guys, on another quick note as well, you'll notice these wheels are different. They're eBay banggood specials, and I thought I'd give them a run. They're slightly bigger, slightly softer, and they're offset slightly, so which makes the truck wider. So we're going to give them a run as well, see if they can handle 4S power, give me a bit more air control and a bit more grip. Because I think the mother tyres are alright, not too bad, but the grip factor ain't there for me. So let's try with these. Whoop, whoop. Oh, nose landing. Nearly got a double in. Oh, nosy. Don't. I've done mine. Guys, is it just me or their arms look a little bit funky? I just took a bit of a nosedive after doing a double. Could have got a triple out of it, to be fair, but I'm going to open up and see what I've done inside. Alright guys, my kagama is down. I've just snapped my Arrma bar. Yes, it was upgraded one, the double version, but it is what it is. So I'm down and out again. Steve broke his RPM arm, but he has managed to glue it back together, and hopefully it will last for the rest of the battery pack, but we shall see. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Al's car unfortunately is a bit poorly. He's broke his axle steering plate.
Double. Nice. Wheels? Nope. Hang on, I'll get it. Oh, trust the great British weather, it's starting to rain. Nice. Oh, hang on. Body clip mod. Oh, I cracked the back of your body just a little bit. Yeah, great British weather. So much for him saying it's not going to rain today. Oh, and it landed on all fours. That was beastie. Guys, these MT-10s are something else. Might have to buy one. Nice. And pops a wheelie on the way out. Nice. Nice. Send it. That was massive. That was a massive air. Steve's sending the MT-10. This truck is a little beast, it's something else. I wouldn't believe that's actually running with a broken arm. Oh. I was about to say you was on wheels then as well. I'm still good, guys, still good. The pin's looking a little bit skew with, but the arm's still good. The pin's looking a bit bananaed, but the arm's still good.
You go for a big fronter.
Go on. Oh! Nearly! Alright, done it. Done it again. Ah, unlucky, but there's a big fronty. Got a bit of skill with in the air, but the arm has come out again, and that pin's just bananaed. 2 seat pins.
It's the first time I've ever done this. I mean, I have broke the stock arms, but the RPM arm don't usually break, and I have broke one. But it is what it is. I still say this is one of the toughest 3S cars available. I still say that. Probably look at upgrading these pins to something a bit stronger as well. But apart from that, yeah, I still think this is one of the toughest 3S cars that you can buy, and I stand by my word on that one. Even though I have broke it, but it is what it is. Big Al has broke his kagama steering plate. I broke my arm, so yeah, I think we're going to call it a day at that, guys. But yeah, nice and short and sweet video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please remember to smash that notification button, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Yeah guys, what he just said. Unfortunately, we are out of cars, they're all broken. But it is what it is, joys of the hobby. Sometimes you can come out, 3 or 4 times, not break a single thing, and we've managed to come out in the last, what, half an hour on the kratons, and then the kagama died within 10 minutes, but that was my own fault. And the MT-10 unfortunately is nana now after being repaired. It's broke its arm again, but again, joys of the hobby, it is what it is. So guys, until next time, we're out.